You guys have a visitor.
Hi everybody.
It's the mayor.
Hello. Hi. Are you doing okay today?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys having fun?
Yeah.
Very good. This is a really cool setup. Hi everybody. Oh, everybody's eating lunch. Where did you get that burger from? It looks good.
They have a couple of questions for you, if that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so who wants to start? So we can raise our hands, introduce ourselves, and ask the mayor our questions.
I'll come up in the front here.
Yeah? Okay.
I want some chicken nuggets. You're making me hungry for chicken nuggets.
So, Miss Joe, you can pick who's going to start asking questions.
Alright.
Alright, Ethan, go ahead and ask your question.
What's it like being a mayor?
What's it like being a mayor? It's very humbling. I mean, it's satisfying. At the end of the day, it always feels like I was able to make a difference or help people. So I'm very happy. It's very rewarding to be the mayor. Sometimes it's hard because I cannot make everybody happy all the time, but you know, it's hard to make everybody happy, so I just have to do my best, right? That's the most important thing, is doing your best.
Ethan, are we happy though? Huh? Are we happy? In here? How hard is it to take care of the country?
Oh, the county, how hard is it? It's very challenging, but because there's so many things that need to be done, but what we try to do is break things down into smaller pieces. So even if you have a big problem, try to break your problem down into smaller pieces and just take care of one piece at a time. And don't give up. That's the main thing, is to never, ever give up.
Kaden, you have a question?
A woman went up to a cop and I heard her saying, if the 6 feet works, then why use the mask? If the mask works, then why use the 6 feet? And if both work, then why use the lockdown? I literally went up to her and said out loud in front of the cop, if the seatbelt works, then why use your airbag? If the airbag works, then why use your seatbelt? And if both work, then why use your brakes, woman? It's for your safety.
You're gonna do something very big you're gonna change the world, I can tell. Kaden, how old are you?
Fifth grade.
Okay. So I think that explanation explains it all. When we're trying to keep people safe, we have a number of things that people should do to keep safe. And some of those things are washing your hands, not being too close to each other because we don't want to accidentally spread germs. And if you have a mask on, it even provides more protection, you know?
It's not necessarily keeping you safe, it's protecting the spread of the virus.
Absolutely. My mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's just courtesy, right? It's how we show kindness and thoughtfulness for other people. Very good question. Hey everybody. Hello. Well, you know, a lot of people love the curfew. And the curfew served its purpose. It kept the island safe. The number of traffic accidents went down. The amount of people that needed to go to the emergency room went down. And as long as everybody still keeps this island safe, we probably don't need a curfew. Although a lot of people have asked to have the curfew perhaps during certain times of the year, like during graduation, or in other times where you have a large amount of traffic accidents, but it's not something that, as mayor, a lot of people would approve of if I just do curfews without a good reason. So there has to be a good reason to have a curfew. Did you like the curfew?
Yes.
I know. I actually liked the curfew too. The island was quiet,
Yep.
you know, and people were safe. Thank you for that question, Kawakami. That's the stuff. Do you play sports?
You're cheerleading.
You're cheerleading? I think we'll be able to get back to cheerleading once everything gets a little safer. Because we don't want kids to get sick, and I know some groups are practicing on their own. My daughter Haley dances for Hula Halal, so they actually were dancing by Zoom. So they were using Zoom as their practice. So
I go hula now.
you go hula now? Oh, very good. We're gonna try and get sports as soon as we can, okay? As soon as things get safe.
How hard is it making decisions for the island?
Well, some decisions are easier than others to make. But I have a good team that looks at big problems from many different perspectives. And if you have a good support team, it makes it very easy to make decisions. Some decisions are harder than others because some of those decisions have consequences on both sides. If you say yes, there's a consequence. If you say no, there's a consequence. And then we have to weigh out what's the greater of two consequences. And so during this pandemic, there are many decisions that were, I would say, hard to make for my heart, because I know that there is going to be people that are going to have a tough time, but it was very easy to make because everything we do is for health and safety and to protect the people on this island. So, does that make sense? Okay.
No, honestly, thank you for all that you do for the island and the community and the keiki. And we just want to say thank you just for everything. And so we made you these cards. The kids individually, decorated them and personalized them. And we hope that you love them because we love you too. So on the count of 3, boys and girls, we're going to say thank you. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you!
Oh my gosh. So I want to say this. I love these, and here's what I do with them. I put them in a little box after I look at them, and I save them. And when I'm having a rough day, I open up that box, and I look through all these thank you notes, and it makes me feel better. So every single one of these will bring joy in my life at some time in my life. And being here and seeing all of you just really brightened up my day. I know things can be tough, but this is gonna make you better. It's gonna make you stronger, and this is going to be the way of the future. So some of you folks that are on computers, keep on studying hard, keep on learning about technology, because if something like this should happen, that doesn't mean that things have to stop. Things will keep on going on. Life will keep on going on. And you folks are an inspiration to me, okay? Thank you.
Our West Side is unique. It started as a very small organization, and with great leadership, it's grown into a very necessity on the West Side. It provides after-school programming. Now it's providing in-school programming. Of course, it does a lot for the community, and we have a lot of great people that run these programs. It is a very special organization to be a part of that serves youth so compassionately, and safety is our purpose. I mean, we make sure that our kids are safe in everything that they do. So we definitely appreciate the mayor, the county, and the support that we get, more than you guys know.
I've been the clubhouse director for almost 2 years now. I was originally a part of the Lihui clubhouse. So when I moved over here, it was definitely a huge difference and change in terms of like the families and the community. And honestly, just like Tina said, we started off really small, only being able to serve such a limited amount of kids. And then just over the years, growth happens. The families and the communities here at our Boys and Girls Club, they've become such an integral part in how we run. And their support is tremendous, the community support is tremendous, and just being able to run this program, especially during times of COVID, we're thankful for the mayor and the county and just partnerships with everyone, Department of Education, in being able to just help us give the kids the resources they need, especially for distance learning. It's such a difficult time right now. Because they have to adjust. You know, a lot of them don't know how to use computers. A lot of the parents need help. So just the fact that we're able to keep our doors open for an out-of-school program is amazing. And then we also continue to provide resources and a program for our after school as well, serving St. Teresa. So again, we just want to say thank you and we appreciate you.